Hey, welcome to this awesome video. Matthew McDonald here. I'm going to show you this for 2017, how to improve your opt-in ratios, and a real game changer when it comes to generating leads online. Now I'm going to show you a couple of different types of squeeze pages. Now also in this video I'm going to show you the one and only tool that I use to quickly generate the most high converting squeeze pages with ease directly from my WordPress admin. And down the bottom here we've got our tap to call button, and this makes it super easy for new leads to get on the phone with you right away. And also, you know, a lot of people don't like typing on their phones, entering their name and email address. So this way we can give them an option to simply tap and call. Going on, I'm going to scroll down to smartphone, and here we've got tap to call. So I'm just going to select the tap to call, and now down the bottom here we can see a new option, tap to call. And you have the option to have the tap to call with an opt-in form or all by itself. Now when we go out of the phone mode, you can see that tap to call is not there anymore. And this actually looks a little bit wide for me on a desktop device. So what I like to do is I can go to the width option here and make it a nice box like that. It looks pretty cool. So let's go back to our phone preview. And what I need to do is enter the phone number that's going to ring when people tap on this tap to call button. And that phone will automatically call that number without having to type anything out. It is super cool. And then if we look back on a desktop or a tablet, you're going to get that opt-in form options. And all the different fields are optional. You might just want to collect an email address. We go up here to our building blocks and select video, and then we just paste in our ID here. So I'm just going to paste it in there, and there we go, it loads the video automatically, and that's how easy it was to add a YouTube video to my squeeze page. And if I want to autoplay it, I can just activate it there, and I can set the controls to show or hide the controls. Back here, I'm going to replace my YouTube video ID with my Vimeo ID. And you can see it builds the Vimeo play for me automatically. I'm pasting in my Vistia video ID. And it's automatically going to build me Vistia player. Next, let's try Amazon S3. So this can be self-hosted video files. And let's go and paste it in here. There's my video. Now the cool thing about this video is it's using HTML5, so it's going to work great on all mobile devices, and it loads pretty quick. So we've got it on autoplay. We can turn that on or off, and we can also choose to have the controls on or off. I'm going to leave the controls off, turn it on autoplay, and we'll take a look at this in action in just a moment. I'm going to shift some things around here, so I'm going to convert this into a two-step opt-in process. And I'm just going to spice up the look here a little bit, add a bit of a transparent effect. Done. Image Effects Lab, I'm just going to add a little bit of blur here, and we'll see this in action in just a moment. Just darken the background a little bit. Saving that. Go and refresh the page now. Well, hello to you there, and there we go. There's my squeeze page. There's my video playing. That's playing directly from Amazon S3. No messing around with code, and looks pretty awesome. I'm going to switch the headline here to an image. I'm going to show you the click faker here. So I'm going to pick an image that I've got here, and I can turn this image into a fakey opt-in. So it'll look like a video, but when people click to play, the opt-in form is going to appear. So from the building blocks here, I'm going to select two-step opt-in. Then we get the opt-in box options. From down the bottom here, we've got image click launch. Selecting that, and now we can see we get a nice play button loading like that, and it looks just like a video. So saving that. When we preview the post, you can see it looks like a video, and when they click play, the opt-in form appears, and obviously this opt-in form hasn't been set up yet. It tells you instantly how well your squeeze page is performing. So we've got the overall details here. Also gives you a star rating, and that makes it really easy for you to, and lets you know when something's not up to standard. Along with that, you've also got different results for different devices. So if you've got a squeeze page like this one here, performing better for phones than tablets, or better for phones than desktops, then this information is really valuable to you. Now, along with these different options, we've also got live stats. So we can turn on live stats if you're doing some kind of promotion, and you can actually watch these stats update in real time. Now, you may have noticed we're actually inside of WordPress admin, and the tool I've been using here is called Squeeze Page Pro, and it's a WordPress plugin, which means all the squeeze pages you make are right inside your WordPress site. Now, it uses a completely different system. So let's launch the canvas here. And here inside the canvas, we can make any changes in a matter of moments, and we never have to change the template. If you've ever set up a really cool squeeze page and you've wanted to make some changes, you realized, hey, I need a different template, you're gonna have to start again. With Squeeze Page Pro, we don't have that problem because it uses components. So anything I want to change, I can just click to change it without having to go and start again. For instance, this is a single step opt-in. We can see there's an email field there and a button to opt in. If I want to switch this or convert it into a two-step opt-in, all I need to do is go to my building blocks and select two-step option. Now they need to click this to get the opt-in box, and then they enter their details. So it was that quick to do it. If I want to try this theme with a different color, I can just go to the theme menu here, and we can quickly try different themes without having to change the template. You've also got width options, you've got positioning, so wherever you want to position it. You've got other designer options and whole different types of themes that you can apply. And as you can see, with a lot of the modern squeeze pages that perform really well, we've got a really big image in the background. We can go here to our image menu and go to Image Effects Lab. And from here, without any experience, we can apply some awesome effects to the background image. Now, if I clear the effects, you can see here, it looks quite different to what I actually had. You can flip things around, any image, if you've got the person on the wrong side, you can just flip them over. You can apply blur effects, just really quickly, 3 clicks for 3 different settings, black and whites. You can create color burn effects. You can even change the hue, so you can change the color of different items in the image. You can add a darker or lighter, and you can also make the background transparent. So in just a few seconds, without any experience or reading any manuals or trying to figure out how this software works, you can go ahead and use it. Now, if you come up with a template that you absolutely love and you want to use it on another page or another post, you can copy from here and just paste it in another canvas. Everything is super easy and super fast. Grab this package, you'll get immediate access to the download page, and you can start using the Squeeze Page Pro straight away. You'll also have access to videos where I show you exactly how I build my squeeze pages. From now on, using the Squeeze Page Pro, not only can you generate these awesome types of squeeze pages, but you can also track your conversion stats so much easier than ever before. And you've got the different options for tracking for mobile, tablets, and also for desktops. You're gonna love using Squeeze Page Pro, and I've made it available for you on this page, and you've got a special discounted offer there, and that's definitely going to be the lowest price you're going to get this plugin. So go ahead, grab it on this page. It's available today for immediate access, and join me with a Squeeze Page Pro.